In this tool, I want to illustrate the link control protocol password cracking tool. All right, link control protocol is part of the point-to-point protocol, and in any point-to-point protocol communication, both the sending and the receiving devices are going to send packets back and forth to each other. You can also sniff this traffic if you choose the local, a remote machine, but you can also do it locally as well. So right off the bat, LCP download. If you just go to LPC Soft, okay, you can go to their download page. It's the first one, and you can go ahead. It's a relatively small install. And then you can go to your Start Programs, Link Control Protocol once you run the install, and select Link Control Protocol. Okay, so in this case, you get to choose if you want a brute force attack, in other words, try all possible combinations, use specific dictionary files, or the combination of the both of them, which is basically the dictionary file and the starting and stopping combinations of the brute force. So please note that a hybrid attack does in fact include a brute force and a dictionary attack. Okay, so in this case, we're going to illustrate dictionary attack. And if you want, you can open up a specific LCP session file. This is the session file that I opened up with. Okay, if you have a saved copy of that. You can combine sessions. You can compute hashes as well. Okay, you can start at a particular username like administrator, put in a specific password, and then try to compute the server challenges as well. Okay. Otherwise, you can go ahead and go to import and choose the specific import option. Now, the magic of this tool here is local computer, remote computer, SAM file, LCP file or LCS file, PW dump file if you got your information from the tool actual PW dump or from a specific sniffer. So you can go ahead and put remote computer if you want. You can import it from the registry, you can import it from memory, or you can execute on a specific share and username and password if you want as well. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll do 192.168.92.131. I'll go ahead and select OK. And you can see on my server, I pulled the administrator and the guest account. And so from here, all I have to do is basically hit play, and you can see it'll go ahead and guess the passwords for the system. Now, in this case, it was relatively easy because the password was, well, you guessed it, password. But if I ever had to try to, just do a quick basic guess of what iteration of a basic password was on another machine, you could point this tool at it and basically get a quick answer. Also, if you go to import from the local computer, you can choose your options if you want a Windows NT, 2000 XP, or 2003 with or without Active Directory, and choose the respective option, and it'll go ahead and pull the respective passwords and the hashes. And of course, you could document these if you want. Also, at this point, you can save the actual information as a text file or an LCP file that you would want to import for later use. So that's the overview of Link Control Protocol, which is the part of TCP that can exploit remote passwords. Very, very easy to do, very lightweight utility, very easy download, and is easy poking and prodding around on a destination target system. Make sure that you do this in a virtualized environment and not on a system that you do not have access to. Otherwise, in your test environment, try the different combinations and see what you get. See how long it takes to get, weak passwords all the way to hard passwords. So good luck with the tool. My name is Leo Drager, and I'll see you in the next video.